Hi, Melissa St. Clair, Paper Chaser Biz LLC, and author of Homework, a collection of poems sparked by one white woman's journey on the matter of race. So, this is April, and I'm coming to you with a couple of fun facts. Number one, April is National Poetry Month. And fun fact number two is I have had to order a second batch of author copies thanks to your continued support of the book and your orders. So let's dive in. I see the little smile has arrived again from Amazon. I hope that if you've read the book, you have gotten some good takeaways from it and would love your reviews wherever that is appropriate on Amazon, or tell a friend about the book, or tell me. Just contact me directly and let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to talk to you about it. So yes, more copies. Thank you again for your orders, and thanks for being patient while I had to order other additional author copies from Amazon, and I'll be sending them out your way. Thanks.